Okay, children. Listen to me carefully. Our poem topic is The Computer Swallowed Grandma. This is a poem. It was written by, see the poet, unknown poet, right? So they mentioned as anonymous. Understand? The name of the poet was unknown. Okay. Now you'll go to the poem now. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. This is the first stanza of the poem. See, what is the poet says? The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed control and enter. Then she disappeared from view. So I think the poet and a grandma were chatting on a online basis, right? So suddenly the grandma might have pressed control and enter. Then she disappeared out of view. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. See, the meaning of devoured. Consumed. What is the meaning of devoured? It devoured her completely. Devoured means, tell me the meaning. Consumed. What is the meaning of that? Consumed. Understand? So, that thought, which thought? The computer consumed granny. That thought makes me to squirm. She must have caught a virus. She must have caught a virus or eaten by a worm. So the poet thinking that a grandma might have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched, third stanza, I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. The desperate poet searched even in the recycle bin. Those who know computer very well, you know what is that? Recycle bin. Understand? Good. Next, there will be so many files stored in the computer, right? This poet started searching in recycle bin and also all the files. Next, the poet searches in the internet also. What was the result then? Nothing she could find. She could find nothing. Understand? See, nice pictures are given to make you understand that the computer swallowed. It is a funny picture only. In real, computer cannot swallow anyone. Right? It is a poetic expression. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. See, she asked Jeeves. Okay. To refine the poet's searching. But the reply was negative only. No such a thing found on online. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. So in the last stanza, the poet requests everybody to search everyone's inbox. Right? If they could find her in the inbox, if they could see her in their inbox, they can copy, scan and paste and send through email. What should they copy, scan and paste? If they should see the grandma in their inbox, they can copy, scan and paste and send to the poet through an email. So these are the things in the poem. Understand? See, I'll send this page through WhatsApp for your reading purpose also. Understand? Now, did you understand the poem? See, through this a simple and easy poem, what the poet wants to convey. See, in olden days, everyone were living with their grandparents as a joint family. Parents, they used to provide the things needed by their children, just like shelter, dress, food, etc. The grandparents, grandfather and grandma, used to give their love and affection to their grandchildren. Right? They used to say many moral stories. They used to teach some games. Which games? Indoor games, No. Outdoor games. Right? Due to modernization, we are not going outside at all. Generally. Understand what I am saying? Just we use all these electrical and electronic gadgets. Always watching television or always watching any shows in the mobile. Our main hot thing is playing games in the mobile phone. Nowadays the games are so improved that many people can join together and play. They will be in different parts of the world, but if they want to play particular game, just online games are there, they can play from their place itself. Understand? So like this, due to the modernization, we totally forgot playing outdoor. Just always concentrating in indoor games, that too mobile games only. See, for these and all, the computer was the initiator. Understand? So when computers came into everyone's home, then automatically everybody started sitting in front of the computer and not listening to grandparents, and even not going out. All started from here. See, computers and mobile phones are okay, they are for our comfort only. Whichever the gadget is there to support us in our daily life. But what we are doing? In these things we are playing games and spoiling our health. The poet wants to convey the message through this poem. The message is that when these computer or any other electronic gadgets came in, we forgot our grandparents. We forgot to listen to their moral stories. We forgot to go outside along with them and play, and started sitting in front of them and keep on playing games in the computer and smartphones. So through this poem, he calls out again all the children to come out and play, to listen to the grandparents. If you listen to the grandparents, they will say moral stories to enrich your character, and they allow you to play outside. They teach you so many outdoor games which add strength to your body. Understand? So only through this poem, the poet wants to convey a message. Come back to the grandparents, listen to them, then your character and body strength also will be developed. Okay, children, have you learned the moral? Good. Hereafter, you can use computer and mobile phone okay for our comfort. Okay, but come back to our grandparents. Listen to their teachings. Just go along with them outside, play the games which they teach. Of course, they cannot teach cricket, understand, but small games which they teach will enrich your body strength and also character, thinking, reasoning power, memory power, etc. Thanks for listening. Go through the poem. I will send a snap of this poem through WhatsApp also. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.